In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy dividend stocks on eToro. If you're looking to invest in companies that may pay regular dividends over time, eToro makes the process fairly simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find a dividend-paying stock, place a buy order, and then monitor your investment afterward. First, sign into your eToro account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward so you can access the platform's search tools, stock pages, and trading features without any interruptions. Once you're inside eToro, go to the search bar and look for a dividend stock you want to buy. You can search by company name or ticker symbol. For example, you could type KO to find Coca-Cola. Using the ticker symbol is often the fastest way to locate the exact stock you want, especially if companies have similar names. When you see the stock in the search results, click on it to open the stock page. This page gives you a closer look at the asset before you invest, and it's an important step because it helps you confirm that you've selected the right company. Now take a moment to review the stock information. Check the company details and the market data shown on the page. This can help you better understand what you're buying and whether the stock fits your investment goals. Even if you already know the company, it's always a good idea to quickly review the information before placing a trade. When you're ready, click the trade button. This opens the order window where you'll enter your position details. Next, enter the amount you want to invest. Be sure to choose an amount that fits your budget and overall investing plan. If you're new to dividend investing, starting with a smaller amount can be a practical way to get comfortable with the platform. After that, review the trade settings carefully. Double-check the investment amount, and look over any stop loss and take profit settings that appear in the trade window. These tools can help manage risk and define exit points, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds here to make sure everything looks right. Once you've confirmed the details, click Buy to purchase the dividend stock. At that point, your order will be submitted through eToro. Finally, monitor the position from your portfolio. This is where you can track how the stock is performing after purchase and keep an eye on your investment over time. And that's it. Thanks for watching.